Understanding hyperthyroidism, liver and kidney yin deficiency with empty heat, exploring the connections between hypothyroidism and specific deficiencies of yin alongside symptoms and treatment approaches. Understanding hypothyroidism and its connections. Hypothyroidism involves an overactive thyroid gland that results in an excessive release of thyroid hormones, leading to various clinical symptoms. This presentation will delve into the relationship between hyperthyroidism and the underlying conditions of liver and kidney yin deficiency, along with empty heat, shedding light on their interconnectedness and treatment principles. Understanding liver and kidney yin deficiency. Liver yin deficiency effects. Liver yin deficiency can lead to heat and dryness within the body, which may impact emotional balance and stability, often exacerbating feelings of anxiety and restlessness. Kidney yin deficiency consequences. This results in a lack of nourishment of vital organs, leading to fatigue, weakness, and a general decline in physical health, which may contribute to hyperthyroidism symptoms. Interconnection of deficiencies. The combination of liver and kidney yin deficiencies can amplify symptoms associated with hyperthyroidism, creating a cycle of imbalance that affects both physical and emotional health. Understanding empty heat in traditional Chinese medicine. Definition of empty heat. It is characterized by a deficiency of yin in the body, leading to an excess of yang. This imbalance manifests as sensations of heat both physically and emotionally. Symptoms of empty heat. Common manifestations of empty heat include a feeling of heat, mental restlessness, and difficulty sleeping, reflecting the overall disruption of the body's harmony. Causes of empty heat. Empty heat can develop from prolonged yin deficiency, which depletes the body's ability to maintain balance and stability between yin and yang. Clinical manifestations of hyperthyroidism. Mental restlessness. Hyperthyroidism often leads to a state of mental unrest, manifesting as an inability to relax or focus, contributing to a feeling of overall anxiety. Feeling of heat in the evening. Individuals may experience a sensation of heat, particularly in the evening, which can disrupt their sleep and exacerbate other symptoms. Weight loss. Significant weight loss can occur due to increased metabolism and reduced appetite, often leaving individuals feeling weak and fatigued. Nervousness. It is common as the body's heightened metabolism and anxiety levels create a sense of unease. Fatigue accompanies hyperthyroidism as the body struggles to cope with heightened energy levels and metabolic demands. Insomnia is prevalent due to racing thoughts and increased body heat, making it difficult to sleep well through the night. Skin flushing and itching. It can occur due to increased blood flow and heightened sensitivity of the skin, leading to discomfort. Palpitations. They are common as the heart rate increases, which can be alarming for those experiencing this symptom. Hair loss can occur as a result of hormonal fluctuations and increased stress on the body, leading to thinning and shedding of hair. Exophthalmos. Exophthalmos or bulging eyes is a characteristic symptom associated with hypothyroidism and can lead to vision problems. Backache. may occur due to muscle tension or stress, which can be exacerbated by the overall fatigue experienced with hyperthyroidism. Dizziness can be a symptom due to fluctuations in metabolism and blood pressure, often causing a feeling of lightheadedness. Blurred vision can occur as a result of increased pressure on the eyes, often linked with exophthalmos and other symptoms of hyperthyroidism. Dry eyes are common as a result of exophthalmos and hormonal changes, leading to discomfort and irritation. Tinnitus, or ringing in the ears, can be a distressing symptom, often related to heightened sensitivity and stress levels. Night sweating can disrupt sleep and contribute to fatigue as excess heat in the body causes discomfort during the night. Key symptoms and signs. First, mental restlessness, feeling of heat in the evening, skin flushing and itching, hair loss, dizziness and blurred vision. Tongue and pulse diagnosis in hyperthyroidism. Tongue diagnosis reveals a red tongue that may be without coating or partially coated, indicating a deficiency Tongue and pulse diagnosis in hyperthyroidism. Tongue diagnosis reveals a red tongue that may be without coating or partially coated, indicating a deficiency of yin and presence of empty heat. The pulse is characterized as floating empty, reflecting a lack of nourishment and the body's imbalance due to hyperthyroidism. Understanding hyperthyroidism, liver and kidney yin with deficiency heat.